Hey everyone, I'm Trikam Devasuja. Today I'm solving LeetCode problem number 2315, count asterisks. Imagine you are given a strong containing asterisks and vertical bars. But here's the catch, you should count only the asterisks that are outside pairs of vertical bars. Let's solve this interesting LeetCode problem in C++. We are given a string containing letters, asterisk and vertical bars. Every two vertical bars characters from a pair. Our task is to count only those asterisk characters that are outside these paired bars. Any asterisk inside a pair of bars should be ignored. The idea is very simple. We will keep track of how many vertical bar characters we have seen. If the number of bars seen is even, we are outside a pair. If it's odd, we are inside a pair. So we will count asterisk only when we are outside. Let's see the code. We start with two variables, int answer equal to 0, bars equal to 0. Answer stores the number of valid asterisks, bars counts only how many vertical bars characters we have encountered. Now we loop through every character in the string. For character C, S, inside the loop, we use a compact ternary operator. C equal to vertical bar plus plus. Ans plus equals to C equal to asterisk and bars modulus equal to 0. If the character current character is vertical bar, we simply increase the bar count. Otherwise, if it's an asterisk and the number of bars is even, we add 1 to our answer. Bars modulus equal to 0 means we are currently outside any pair of bars. Let's take this example for dry run. At the beginning, we are outside the bars. The first vertical bar appears, we are inside. So every asterisk is ignored. When the second vertical bar appears, we are outside again. Now the two asterisks after C are counted. The third vertical bar takes us inside again. The next asterisk is ignored. Finally, after the fourth vertical bar, we are outside once more. The final answer is 2. We scan the string only once, so the time complexity is O of n. We use only two integer variables, so the space complexity is O of n, and that's it. A clean one pass solution that uses a simple parity trick to determine whether we are inside or outside a vertical pair of bars. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LeetCode C++ solutions, and I will see you in the next one.